Sairam students, I hope you all are good and happy at home. But studies are equally important, students. Okay, so I hope you're studying also. Okay, today I am going to check whether you're studying or not. Okay, let me share the screen. Okay, kids, till now we have learned few letters. Do you remember? Yes? So let me check. Tell me, kids, which is this letter? Correct. A. And A says A. A says A. Okay, all of you start writing along with me. One slanting line, another slanting line, and slipping line. Very good. Now we will go to the next letter. Okay, kids, tell me which is this letter? Yes, this is B. And B says B. B says B. Now start writing. One standing line, one curve, another curve. Very good. Now do you know which is this letter? Yes, this is C. And C says K. C says K. Start writing along with me. A big curve. Now, which one is the next one? Oh, this is D. And D says D. D says D. Okay, are you ready to write? One standing line and a big curve. Okay, very good, children. And you all remember these letters. And today we are going to learn the next one. Do you want to know which is the next one? Can you tell me which is this letter? Yes, this is the letter E. And do you want to learn what does the letter E say? Yes, you want to learn. Then you have to listen to the story. Are you ready to listen to the story? Very good, children. There was a girl and her name was Ellie. A, A, Ellie. She was a very naughty girl. One day, she sat on the back of a baby elephant. A, A, elephant. And do you know what happened? She fell down. Suddenly, she fell down from the back of the elephant and she got hurt. Do you want to know where did she get hurt? She got hurt in her elbow. A, A, elbow. Do you know, kids? Where is an elbow? This is an elbow. All of you, please touch your elbow. Good. Ellie's mother took her to the doctor, and doctor advised Ellie to eat eggs every day. A, eggs. And also said to do exercise every day. E- e- Exercise. And do you know what happened? After 8 days, Ellie became fit and fine. Eight, eight, eight. Now Ellie wanted to thank to the doctor. So she wrote a thank you note and she sent that thank you note in an envelope. A, a envelope. So children, I hope you liked the story very much. And you also learned the sound of the letter E. Can you tell me what is the sound of the letter E? Very good. E says A. E says A. Once again, we will see all the pictures and repeat their names. Now this time, you all have to say loudly after me. Are you ready? Very good. A. Ellie. A. Elephant. A. Elbow. All of you please touch your elbow. A. X. A. Exercise. A. 8. And A. Envelope. So you all have repeated after me? Yes? Very good. Now you have learned this letter. So tell me loudly, which is this letter? Oh, very good. E. And E says A. E says A. Now, are you ready to sing along? Okay, you will try. Very good. E is for A. A. Elephant. A. Elephant. A. Elephant. E is for A. Elbow. A. Elbow. A. Elbow. E is for A. 8. A. 8. A. 8. E is for A. Envelope. A. Envelope. A. Envelope. E is for A. Exercise. A. Exercise. A. Exercise. E is for A. Eggs. A. Eggs. Have you enjoyed? Once again, we will say all the words. E is for A. Elephant. E is for A. Elbow. E is for A. 8. E is for A. Envelope. E is for A. Exercise. E is for A. Eggs. So you all have learned these names and also learned the sound of the letter E. Say loudly, E says A. E says A. Okay? So it's time to learn how to write the letter E. Do you want to learn that? Kids, I hope you all have purchased the 4-line notebook. Am I right? Yes? So you all have to watch this video carefully and take your mama's help and ask her to put dots like this in the 4-line notebook. Okay? Before I will start this video, you can write along with me. Okay? Take out your forefinger, all of you. One standing line, slipping line, one more slipping line, and one more slipping line. Very easy, na? You can do it very easy. It is very easy. You can do it at home in the 4-line notebook. So watch this video, children, carefully. So kids, promise me that today you will do the practice of writing this letter E in the 4-line notebook. Yes? And also you will learn or you will repeat all the names that we have learned today. Am I right? Yes? Very good. Now it's time to revise whatever we have learned till now to the Tata Classage. Okay? Give me a moment. I will share Tata Classage screen with you all. Okay? It will take some time, children. Okay. All of you can see this letter. Letter E. Okay. Now watch the video carefully, kids.
E says F. Egg. F. Elephant. F. Engine. F. elbow. E. Elevator. To write capital E, go down straight. Then make 3 sleeping lines, left to right, like this. To write small e, click the object that begins with the sound E.
Now between these two objects, which one begins with the sound E? E. Egg or E? Monkey. Let us see what is the answer. This is the letter E. Okay, one worksheet is given here. You can see small letters are also there and capital letters are also there. Here we have learned one new word, that is E is for E, engine. E, engine. E, egg.
E. Click the object that begins with the sound E.
There is some problem. It is not opening. Okay, here in the last one, egg was the right answer. And between these two objects, a elephant is the correct answer or a octopus is the correct answer. Let us see. Okay. Now, in the last one also, a elephant is the correct answer. Now, between these two, a engine or a fire. Correct answer is a engine. Okay. Now, between these two objects, which one begins with the sound a? A jar or a elbow? It's not working. There is some problem. But the right answer is a elbow. Now, You must have seen in multi-storied buildings, if we want to go up and come down, then there is an elevator. This is an elevator. A elevator. So elevator starts with the sound A, or fox starts with the sound A. The correct answer is A, elevator. This is the correct answer. Okay, it's not opening. No problem. In the next class, I will try to show you this again. Okay. Right now, I will close this. Okay, kids. Once again, we will revise the words. Okay. You can hold your ear like this and take out your hand like this. A, elephant. E is for A, elephant. E is for A, eggs. E is for A, elbow. All of you please touch your elbow. And E is for A, envelope. E is for A, 8. E is for A, exercise. Are you doing it at home, exercise? Yes. To stay fit and fine, exercises and important. Okay. So we have learned these words and keep practicing them. Keep learning them. Okay. And keep washing your hands, all of you. And stay inside the house. Don't go outside to play. Eh? Okay. Sai Ram. Bye. We will meet in the next class. Bye bye, kids.